Here is the part most people miss. Sending a dispute is not like pressing a delete button. It is more like turning in a test for a regrade. You still have to wait for the teacher to hand it back. Then, you check every answer, not just the final score at the top. After your dispute is sent, give the credit bureau time to answer. In many cases, they have about 30 days to investigate. Think of it like ordering something online. You do not knock on the door 5 minutes later asking where the package is. You track it, wait, then check what arrived. When the results come back, do not only stare at the score. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile, which means your report tells a story about how risky you look to lenders, landlords, banks, insurers, and other companies. A score is the headline. The report is the whole article. If an item gets deleted, great, but do not celebrate too early. Check all 3 credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. That is like cleaning one window and thinking the whole house is clean. An item can disappear from one report, but still show on another. Confirm it is gone everywhere it matters. If the bureau says the item was verified, that does not mean you are out of options. Verified means they claim someone confirmed it. Ask for the method of verification, which means how they checked it. Then send your proof to the furnisher, the company reporting the account. If needed, escalate to the CFPB, the government agency that takes consumer finance complaints. Sometimes the result is half right. Maybe the balance changed, but the late payment is still wrong. Maybe the account status improved, but the dates are still off. Do not send a giant general dispute again. Point to the exact mistake that remains. It is like reworking only the test questions you missed, not rewriting the whole test. Your letters, proof, certified mail receipts, tracking numbers, and bureau responses are not clutter. They are your receipts. Imagine returning a broken blender to the store with no receipt and no photos. Harder, right? Organized records make your next dispute stronger because you can show what you sent, when you sent it, and what they answered. This is where 850 AI helps you slow the game down. Instead of guessing, you can upload or review results, spot what changed, see what still looks wrong, and plan the next step. The goal is not panic. The goal is clean, honest, organized action that helps your report tell the right story.